Hey there! Welcome to AKM Tech Class. We're so glad you're here. In our last video, we promised to guide you on setting up a successful PayPal account if you're in Nigeria, Ghana, or Cameroon, and today's the day. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create your own PayPal account easily and stress-free. PayPal is a popular online payment system that allows individuals and businesses to send and receive payments globally. With a PayPal account, you can receive payments from clients and customers worldwide, send payments to suppliers, contractors, and freelancers, withdraw funds to your local bank account, and make online purchases and payments. Thank you for being patient while we put this together. If this is your first time joining us, please hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and share this video. It might just help someone in need. Creating a PayPal account is straightforward. Follow these steps. Make sure you have a valid email address and phone number to verify your account. Use a strong password and keep it confidential. Verify your account information to ensure smooth transactions. Now, I know how difficult it can be for people in Nigeria to set up a PayPal account that allows them to send, receive, and withdraw funds, especially for artists and freelancers who need to transfer their earnings to local banks. But don't worry, we've got you covered. I'll walk you through all the steps to create a fully functional PayPal account that works for you. So, let's dive right in. Okay guys, let's start. Open your browser and type paypal.com/rs. Wait for the site to load. At your right corner, click on Sign Up. Open a business account, not a personal account. You can see below it's showing the Serbia flag, not Nigeria. Click on the Continue button. Fill in your details, your name, your email, and your password. Click on Agree and create an account. I'm not a robot. Confirm your email with a code that is sent to your mailbox. Enter the code that you received from your email. Then click on the Submit button. Wait for the next page to load. Thanks for your patience, we are almost done. Now activate your account to start using PayPal. Click on Let's Go button. We have two options here, individual or business. Click on individual seller, sole proprietor because your business is not registered in Serbia country. On your next page, your names are already filled, just input your date of birth here. Now change your current country code if you are Nigerian, Ghanaian, or Cameroonian. Type your active phone number. Go to Google, search for Serbia's random address and input it here. Make sure names are legally tied with the bank account. What do you sell or service? I recommend computer software stores to avoid getting banned from your account. No, because your business is not registered, and use the same random address. You can see that your PayPal account is successfully open with zero worry. Once you've set up your PayPal account, drop a comment below. We'd love to hear how it worked for you. If you have any questions or run into challenges with making money online, just type money in the comments and we'll be here to help. And remember, don't forget to subscribe, learn, earn, and explore with us. You won't want to miss what we have coming next. Happy watching.